Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back sa panibagong video. And damn, it's been a year since I upload a video or something like that. There's a lot of shenanigans that happen, like super a lot. And I don't know what to say. I just at one point visited my YouTube channel and I've seen my own self, like it's like an healing thing but not quite. So what I'm saying is it's like it's been a year since I didn't see myself, like hindi ko pa nakakamusta yung sarili ko or
Your
anything like
team
that.
is banning.
There's a lot of things that change, especially sa place kung ano naman sitwasyon. It's been
Please
different, bro.
ban a hero.
Oh, siya syempre lagi natin binaban, Balmond. So anyways, dito advice lang guys. If you're in a situation
Your team is
when you
picking.
when you feel lost or something, just go back to your Google account or something, Google Photos. Tignan mo yung dating account.
I'm
The
born
enemy
with
is
talent.
picking.
Matutuwa puso mo eh. Like, may kita mo yung sarili mo dati, nagsasalita, or something like that. Anything. Anything that yung piniyakay. Pero anything that brings you back to the time that you were kid or a toddler, that's a whole different story. So,
You should
yeah,
be ashamed for not
as I
trusting
was
yourself.
wondering na, grabe no, parang yung mga taon, past, yeah. Nakita ko yung account ko, sabi ko, damn, I used to upload videos in
I am sovereign of the
sa
abyss,
YouTube.
the
The enemy
slayer
is
of
picking.
Then,
gods.
napaisip ako, oo nga pala, nasa na yung mga video niyan. And as I
I'm Yi,
remember,
and I won't lose myself, no
yung
matter
sige na ikaw na
what.
si Yin. As I,
Chivalry
si
is
pa si
dead.
Clint.
Please pick a
Dead
hero.
na siya.
Have it.
Wait, I'm a peak. As I remember, I private that account. Like, I was super insecure
My
about myself.
pleasure. The
Like,
enemy
that's
is
the reason.
picking.
Tinago ko yung childhood memories ko dahil lang because of insecurities. And that's the thing na, guys, na I hope na you're not like, hindi kayo, wag nyo gawin. Like, that's the point, wag nyo gawin, because there's a lot of whole purpose and meaning. Why did you do that? Maybe that's your thing. Maybe that's, I don't know. Kasi nga, sabi nga ni Daniel Kaiser, who knows? If you ever na pumasok sa utak mo na gumawa ka ng ganyan,
Mobile Legends.
o gawin mo to, or do something like
5
that, like
seconds
this,
till the enemy reaches the battlefield.
please,
Smash
please,
All troops deployed.
gawin nyo 100%, gawin nyo. Huwag kayong magpapadala sa insecurities, because insecurities will just eat you whole. Like the loneliness it gives, it will just eat you whole. Kumbaga, wala na. Kakainin ka lang ng kakainin hanggang sa mawalan ka na ng gana sa buhay. Kaya, I highly recommended na if you do some things na ikakasaya mo, gawin mo 100%. Don't be scared. Don't let other people opinion or thinking about some shit na comes to your mind. Parang ano, huwag mong hayaan na, wait, oh shit, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die, man. Yo, that's clutch. Pero you're gonna bite. Gonna die too. Oh, bawal yan. Pinakagusto ko ay Chip, yung passive niya. Oh shit. So I was talking about na, yun, gawin nyo lang 100% fully. That's all. Huwag kayong magpapadala sa opinion ng ibang tao, kasi that's only gonna drag you down to the beast. Is the sign, no?
Don't take life too seriously. That's my motto.
Oh. Pinaka-like ko kay Chip is yung part na ang bilis mag-heal ng buhay niya. And that's his passive, ah. Remember. And it's kind of fun to use Chip because you just teleports around, bro. like this, look at this, look at this. Let's say I'm going to help this kid. Pero mukhang kaya niya na. I'm just gonna wait here. Oh, no, my turtle. I'm sorry. Chip. Kaya I highly recommend chip using. Look, tinan mo. Bilis ko mga pagdalaw dito. And dali na ito mamatay. Kasi especially ginamit ako na ulti para easy kill. Then we could push this side. Kaya I highly recommended use chips. See? That's it. O, diba? Nearly push na. Then, all you have to do is go back sa mid. Oh, shit. Di siya bumalik sa portal. Gusto niya rin ng kill. Anyways, tips ko sa inyo kapag mag-roam. I don't know if pro do this, pero protektahan nyo yung side na na mahina. Tapos sabay yung side na hindi malakas. Yun yung tulungan niya. Like, tulad ng sa top, kinakaya naman ng Obsidia, right? O, kinakaya naman ng Obsidia, kaya dito muna ako sa bottom. Kasi kanina ko pa siya nakikitang nahihirapan eh. Besides, Sylvana rin yan. Yan, ginamit niya yung ulti niya sa akin. So, gagamitin ko na rin yung ulti ko. Pero it's a trade for me. Is it? Fuck no. It's been a year since I seen my face like yung pagkabata ako. Ang dami kong pinagdaanan na problema. Dami kong pinagdaanan na problema, and I know for a fact na tumaan din ako sa depression. So I feel you guys, and ang tanging advice ko sa inyo, huwag kayo manatili dyan sa shithole na yan. There's a lot things of happiness that you can do in your life. Kaya huwag kayo manatili dyan sa shithole na yan. It's only gonna bring you down. I'm not saying na madali lang ano yung depression. I know it takes time, effort too. It takes friends din just to heal you. Kaya always take your time, guys. Wag nyo masyadong mamadaliin yung buhay, mas lalo na at the very young age. Ako kasi minadali ko siya eh. Like, gusto ko kagad ganito ako, gusto ko ganyan. And yeah, kakamadali ko, hindi ko na napapansin na yung sarili ko, napapabayaan ko na pala. So that's why nahihirapan ako mag-adjust sa mga bagay-bagay.
Fighting is so much work. Portals up!
Halika rito. Nope, not worth it. Kumbaga, komplikado na yung buhay. It's super complicated. Huwag mo pa masyadong gawing komplikado. Gawin mo simple. Hindi naman sa pagiging may alam mo, much more matured. Pero shit. Napa-complicate na ng buhay. Komplikado. That's all. Tsaka, ang daming pwedeng gawin. Huwag kayong manatili sa isang bagay. Kung sa tingin nyo hindi para sa inyo yun, keep exploring. Especially pag bata pa. Marami pang pwedeng mangyari. And bakit hindi kayo nagpo-push? Hindi isang push, wala kayo. You know what's funny? I think, on my own opinion, being people pleaser, it's much more work. Kumbaga, sobrang hirap niya. Kasi, if you're gonna ask me, kaya siya naging sobrang hirap. Kasi, ang dami mga bagay na sasabihin sa'yo ng tao, and you're gonna have to adjust on their expectations towards you. Kaya, napakahirap maging people pleaser. Kaya, don't be people pleaser, guys. Kasi, lahat ng weight nasa inyo eh. Kasi kayo yung yung expectation ng tao, imimit nyo yun. And yung expectation ng tao, sobrang taas niyan. Even though hindi mataas, sige sabihin natin hindi mataas, pero meron pa ring mga tao na mataas yung mag-expect. Kaya,
You can mess around in the lab.
on my opinion,
Hands off my potato chips.
being people pleaser, it's complicated, so don't be one.
Hope the portal's up.
Pero it's your call. At the end means ano naman. Kung yun yung mas gusto mo, doon ka mas masaya. It's fine. Tulad nga nasabi nila, kung saan ka masaya, yun yung gawin mo.
Where's the
Oo,
fire?
kasi medyo naging people pleaser din ako. Aminado ako dun sa sarili ko. And yung mga tao sa akin, gustong gusto nila na ganito ka dapat, ganyan ka nakadapat. It doesn't take time. Parang ayaw nila na may bukas pa. Gusto nila lang ngayon na agad. Kaya napakahirap nun for me. Especially bata pa. Kaya anong nangyari, na-fall into debt ako. Naging pasaway, aminado, kung ano-ano pang pwedeng gawin. Kaya, if you're gonna be a people pleaser, gawin mo sa tamang paraan, hindi sa mali. Kasi I swear, you're gonna only drown yourself. Doon ko natutunan sa buhay ko na hindi mo kontrolado yung ibang tao, kaya ba't ka magagalit? You know, I always been angry sa mga tao sa paligid ko kasi lagi nila sinasabi, dapat ganito ako, ganyan ako. Pero, I always try to meet their expectation, but nothing happens. So, nangyayari, nag-fail ako and nalulungkot ako kasi di ko na-meet yung ano nila, yung ina-expect nila sa akin. Kaya mas lalo ako nalulungkot. Then, over and over, same shit happen, parang walang pinagbago. Kaya sobrang hirap maging people pleaser, guys. Habulin kita kasi mahal kita. Charot! There's a saying nga na you cannot control the waves of the sea, but you can control your sail. Meaning nun, sa buhay,
Don't take life too
di mo
seriously.
makakontrol kung ano yung
That's my
flow
motto.
ng buhay eh. Di mo makakontrol kung ano yung sasabihin sa'yo ng mga tao. Di mo masasabi. Kumbaga random shit. Pero ang makakontrol mo yung sarili mo. How do you react to it? Yun yung makakontrol mo. Oh, sorry ta. Yun yung makakontrol mo eh. Kaya don't waste your time trying to meet people expectation towards you. Kasi it's only gonna make you sadder, upset, and depressed. Trust me, I've been there. Pero ikaw pa rin mas maganda pag sarili mong experience kasi may mas magde-develop ng character mo yun eh. Nakakamiss lang maggumawa ng video, especially gaming. Kasi when I was a child, I really love playing video games and showing it to you guys. Pero nung nag-stop ako dahil sa may taong nag-ano sa akin.
Portal's up.
Hindi ko na sabihin yung pangalan pero may nagsabi na pangit daw mga videos ko and doesn't even worth watching. So, as technically, chill pa lang ako nun. So, it hurts me to the most na parang ayoko na gumawa ng video again. Pero, yun. Ayoko na gumawa ng video ulit dahil doon sa taong yan. Kaya, nag-stop ako and my insecurities take a hole in. As you can see sa past video ko, mataba ako and pangit and some shit. And that takes a toll
Heading into
to
my
me.
nap time. Safety first.
That's a fuck.
Enjoy your dirt nap.
Kaya I'm sad. By the way, we just won and I just hit a maniac. What the Victory!
Victory!
We're gonna play one more, guys, for you. Lalaro pa tayo isa. So what I'm trying to say, guys, kung meron kang pangarap, kahit bata ka pa o kahit noong bata ka pa, chase that motherfucking dream, man. I-chase mo. Habulin mo yung dream na yun. Huwag mong hayaan na ma-let down o i-down ka ng mga people. Especially your friends, your lovers, you're in your relationship, especially family. Don't ever ban natin si Balmond. Don't ever let them make you down, sad, depressed, or anything like that. Hope core, guys. There's a lot of ways to be happy if you're alone, or lonely, or any kind. There's a lot of ways. Like, tignan mo to.
This time,
I'm playing ML and that's
The
what
choice
makes
is
me
mine.
happy. Or playing guitar. Maybe a sports. All those sports, although anything's na makes you happy, meron kapalit yun na lungkot kasi it makes you happy. You want to improve better, di ba? Kasi doon ka masaya eh. Parang gusto mo pa ma-achieve yung isang bagay na yun para mas sumaya ka pa. So basically, mag-i-improve ka, mag-practice ka na magpa-practice. Ilalabas mo yung sarili mo. And ang mangyayari, may mga people
Who said there are
na
no
magda-doubt
shortcuts
sa'yo.
in life?
May
I
mga
literally
people na
invented one.
asa rin
I'm
ka.
not the only
O
one
kung
bound
ano man yung
by these
gagawin.
chains.
It's like, as you are improving, there's parami yung mga tao na magda-doubt sa'yo at mangda-down sa'yo. So, only saying na wag mong hayaan yung mga voices na yun goes through your head. Di bali nang mawala yung mga friends mo, kahit sino pa, wag lang yung sarili mo. Because it's a different price losing yourself than losing a friend. Sorry guys, nag-crash yung video. Anyways, so what I'm saying is, yun, as the more you improve, mas maraming mga tao na magda-down sa'yo or gonna doubt you. Kasi they see you working hard even though hindi naman yung karaniwan mong ginagawa. And syempre, mga tao, judgmental. It's on a human nature. Aminin mo sa akin, kahit ikaw mismo nang judge ka na rin ng tao. And do you ever known na kung yung taong ba yun nasaktan or na insecure about themselves? So, lagi mong tatandaan kung ano ang tinanim, siya ang bunga. Na-miss ko mag-post ng video, especially sa mga pagdating sa gaming. I missed it, man. Ito yung gusto ko nung bata ko. Pero that little one doubt makes everything changes. I become a people pleaser. Kaya if you have a dream, vision as a child, do it, man. Don't let anybody stop you from doing what you want. Kasi they're not gonna last. They're not gonna last a thing. And you are. Kasi ikaw yung may-ari ng buhay mo. Papatayin natin to. Halika rito, baby. Uy. Wala. Ay. Nasaan takas, oh. Uy, mamatay ka pa, dudong. Tulungan lang kita. Tapos casing ko yung kill. Ito naman mayabang. Di kaya kailangan na ba score ng Granger? Kaya nagtatampo sa Mother Earth. Hey, yo, come here, come back. No, you're not gonna. I'm not letting you get away. I'm not letting you get away. I'm sorry, bro, but you gotta die.
Safety first.
See how good I am? See how good I am? See what I'm saying? See how good I am? Hindi tapusin nang wala ako. Sa alam mo yung bottom line sa pinakamaganda maging bata or mag-start as a young adult. You can try. Pwede kang mag-try even though mag-fail. You can try kasi bata ka pa. There's more time left. Ang dami pang oras. Kesa naman mag-try ka na matanda na. Kaya if you have a dream or any kind what you wanna do, kung gusto mong gawin, Tagalogin ko na lang kung anong gusto mong gawin, do it, man. Kahit mag-fail, just keep on trying. Kasi you have much more time to try again. Even though you fail, you have much more time left. You don't even gotta worry a thing.
Safety first.
Ang dami pang oras na matitira. Kahit na mag-fail ka, even though nasayang, sige nasayang, ano natutunan mo doon? As in, not every loss is a loss. Not every fail, it means you lost. Hindi. You win. Kahit na mag-fail ka, you win. Kasi you learned something. You learned something new. And victory.
Victory!
Kung meron kang pangarap, chase it. If you fail, just keep on trying. And make sure to do what you love. AFK. So anyways guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Kung may pangarap ka, habulin mo. Kung mag-fail, just keep on trying until you get that. Bye guys. See you in the next one.